Are you looking for a set of ultra portable noise cancellation headphones that don't break the bank but offer great sound? Well, the Soundcore Space One Pros may be just what you're looking for, and I want to talk about that in this sponsored video. It's sponsored by the fine folks over at Anker with Soundcore, and I've been working with them for many, many years. So when they reach out to me, I'm like, you know what? I like your audio products. I've been covering them for probably close to a decade. The Space One Pros have a lot of nice things going for them. First off, they're incredibly flexible, and they have a patented FlexiCurve structure that makes them super foldable, which is great because all you have to do, little twist of the wrist, and they fold right up. They are a 5-segmented headband, and they have undergone a 10,000 durability test where they've been bended, they've been flexed, they've been folded, and they've got an optimal 5 to 8 degree folding angle. And on top of that, they have 3 joint separation, so you can see 180 degrees that they pivot there, making them easy, and you can wear them comfortably. And then all you have to do is just fold them right up, stow them in the bag, and you're good to go. So that's one of the first things you'll notice about them. Have up to 60 hours of battery life, which is fantastic. They have a 4-stage noise cancellation system built into these headphones. They have 6 microphones. 6 microphones. 4 of them they use for phone calls. 2 of them they use in addition to that for a total of 6 for the noise cancellation, which samples the noise around you 3 times per second with active noise cancellation 3.0. And they fold down to half their size. So these are supposed to be the most portable headphones that you can get. Why? Because you have the full-size form factor, which nice materials, all that great stuff. Soundcore makes good quality products. These are very, very comfortable. Probably the most comfortable Soundcore headphones I've ever used. And then all you have to do is just a little rotation of the wrist, and it folds down basically into half the size, which is great. It's about the size of a large donut. And it's funny because when you think about it like that way, whenever you touch on like the ear cups and the headband and stuff, they're so squishy. It reminds me of like a Krispy Kreme donut or a Fresh Dunkin' one. But anyway, I'm going to quit talking about donuts. These headphones are great. And what's nice about them too, you get super fast charging with them. You can get, with the quick charge of 5 minutes, up to 8 hours of listening time, which is fantastic. So again, I want to show you a little bit more of the portableness because now you see them, now you don't. Very, very easy. And all you have to do, you just unfold them and then you just twist with both of your wrists, and then the ear cups meet up, and then you've got this nice portable setup. Again, they're about half the size folded as they are when they're open, and they weigh less than a pound. They weigh about just over half a pound actually. So you've got that going for you. Super premium materials. You can get it in 2 colors, black or white. And then once you unfold them, you just put them on your ears and you go. And you can see here that they're actually not bulky at all. I mean, when it comes to over-the-ear headphones, let's be honest, over-the-ear headphones are usually pretty big, and these solve a big problem with that because a lot of people like the over-the-ear headphones. They like them. They appreciate and respect that they have more power because when you have bigger ear cups like this, you have bigger sound chambers, you get a better sound experience. So you get a better sound experience, you get bigger battery, which means you get longer battery life, you get more powerful speakers, which means that you get a better sound experience overall, and you can throw more gadgets in there. So you've got these big 40mm drivers inside of here with an expanded chamber, which works for the 4-stage noise cancellation. So how does the 4-stage noise cancellation work? First of all, you've got the microphones. It uses the 6 microphones on the outside, and you can see them right here. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, yeah. So you've got 3 over here, you've got 3 over here. 2 of them are forward facing, so that means as you're going into noise, not just on the sides, but as you're going into it, picks up the noise. So it uses those microphones to pick up the noise to eliminate it. Then you've got the expanded chamber, which is about 50% larger than the Q45s. It has more room to work in there to eliminate that noise. Then it has the updated algorithm and the noise cancellation ANC 3.0, which samples the sound 3 times a second to filter it out. And then you have the high quality drivers. So all that combined gives you a fantastic noise cancellation experience, but it still remains lightweight, remains affordable, $199 for these noise canceling headphones. And then you just go on your way. But now, like that, and you get to take advantage of it. And then when you're done, you just fold them right up. Easy peasy. And they come with a convenient carrying bag as well, so you can throw them in your purse, throw them in your backpack, throw them pretty much wherever you want, so you don't worry about scratching them up, and you can keep them protected as you go on about your day. But a lot of great things going on here. And then you've also got the high-res audio certification. They're good for that. And you have a lot of different things like your sound ID as well. That's one of Soundcore things they use in their app. So that way you can fine-tune the sound experience for your own ears so you can get the best sound experience possible. And in addition to the noise cancellation mode, you also have transparency mode, which they call ambient audio. And it's great because you have 10 different ambient audio profiles, so you can fine tune your experience. So not only can you use these microphones on the outside of the headphones to pick up noise when it goes for active noise cancellation, but also for transparency mode. So these are supposed to be the best headphones whenever it comes to public transportation and commuting. So planes, trains, and automobiles and subways, all that great stuff. Great for using noise cancellation, but also for the ambient noise so you can hear what's going on. If you're out walking on the street and you want to hear heavy machinery, you want to hear sirens, you want to hear ambulances, you want to hear traffic, you can use your different noise cancellation and your ambient noise profile that you have on here so you can get the best experience possible while remaining safe and getting a good sound experience. And ultimately, that's what we want. We want to stay safe, we want to be portable, and we want to have a good, powerful, fantastic sound experience. And I think that these are something that can deliver that, and they do it in a nice, portable, and compact way, which, again, eliminates a lot of those pain points. Like I was saying earlier, a lot of times people do appreciate and look at noise cancellation headphones. They look at over-the-ear headphones, and it does have a superior audio experience when you compare that across the board to earbuds. Like when you have 40 millimeter drivers instead of a 10 millimeter driver, you're going to have a lot better experience. So you got those big speakers instead of little tiny ones shoved down in your ear canal. These are a lot more comfortable. You can wear them for a long time. They're lightweight. It weighs only about just over half a pound, and they're super comfortable. So instead of having to, like, you know what, I don't want to get those headphones because they're clunky, they're heavy, I can't carry them around in my bag. It's so easy because all you gotta do is just, again, rotate the wrist, twist it up, and then you're good to go. And then you've got the carrying bag, so you can put them in whatever you want. You don't have to worry about scuffing them up. You don't have to worry about things accidentally pressing the buttons while they're in there. And they've got great touch controls with the buttons on here too. So on one side, you got the play pause button, you got the volume rocker, and then on the other side, you've got your power button, and then you've got your noise cancellation button, USB-C charging port, and your headphone jack. So you've got everything that you need and a maximum volume of 93 decibels. So the active noise cancellation does 45 decibels, total overall volume 93. So if you like something that's like 93 decibels is some serious power. And sometimes you get these headphones and they just don't sound very loud. They've got a decent sound experience, but they're not as loud as you want. 93 decibels is plenty loud, and then up to 60 hours of listening time. These will be great for, well, over a 2-day trip on one charge, which is quite a bit. And I think at $199, it's priced really well. You take a look at the Sonys and the AirPods Max, those suckers $400, $500, $600. Very, very expensive. And then you have these, which are more portable, I think probably more comfortable, and way more lightweight, especially than the AirPods Max. And you can save a tremendous amount of money. And you can use them with Android or Apple because they have the app for both phones. So that's all I have on the Soundcore Space One Pros. If you're interested, go ahead and take a look. Go to the link. It'll take you directly to the website. You can check them out. If you have any questions or comments, of course, please go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys next time.